Assalamu alaikum grade 4. How are you all? Today we will study improper fractions. So we are going to learn how to identify improper fractions. Okay, before we start, just let's do this activity. We have 3 rectangles. I want you to write fractions of green parts. Okay, for the first one, how many green? Excellent, only 1 out of 6. Good. So the fraction for the first one, this is 1 out of 6. Now, what about the second rectangle? Good, it's 3 out of 6. Now the last one, 6 out of 6. Good. Okay, the question now. Which one of these rectangles is the odd one? So which one is different from these rectangles? Good. 6 out of 6. This is different. But why it's different? Who can tell me? Good, because this is a whole fraction. And what we mean by whole fraction? Fraction, the value of this fraction equal 1. Okay, how we write any whole fraction? Same number up and down, like 2 out of 2 give me 1. 2 divide 2, 1. 8 out of 8, 1. 100 out of 100, 1. And here also 6 out of 6 equal 1. So this is whole fraction. That's why this is different. Okay, now let's do it one more time. Who can tell me what is the fraction of the green part? Excellent, it's 8 out of 8. And here, what is the fraction of the blue parts? Good, 2 out of 2. The third one, what is the fraction of the shaded parts? Good, 3 out of 3. And here, what is the fraction of the brown parts? Let's count how many parts are brown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 out of what? Only one pentagon. We divide it to how many parts? Good. So this is 9 out of 5. The question now, grade 4. Which one is different? Excellent. The last one. And if I ask you why this is different? Good. First, because this is not whole fraction. Good. Okay, the question. Do you think this is more than whole fraction? Greater than or less than whole fraction? Less than 1. What do you think? Good. This is more than 1 because we have 1 is already all of it shaded, and the second one only 5 parts. Sorry, only 4 parts. So actually this is more than 1. So this is new type of a fraction, whereas the numerator greater than the denominator. So what we name these fractions? Good. These are the improper fractions. And what we mean by improper fraction is where the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. So here we have 7 pieces of pizza out of 4. The numerator 7, this shows us the number of pieces we have. So how many pieces of pizza we have? 4 plus 3, 7. And the denominator represents the number of parts we are dividing by. So one pizza we divide it into 4 pieces. Now we have examples here. You can see these orange parts, and I want you to write the improper fraction for this one. We have 5 pieces out of 4. Excellent. So we write it 5 out of 4. The second example, good. This is 7 out of 3 because we have 7 orange squares and out of 3. Now this is your turn to tell me the improper fraction for each one of these. Let's start with the circles. Count how many parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 out of 2. Good. The second one. Count how many parts are green. Then out of 8. Good. This is 12 out of 8. The third one. How many parts are pink? Excellent. This is 7 out of 6 because one hexagon, we divide it into 6 equal parts. The last one, good, this is 8 out of 3. Now we want to practice more. Stop the video, bring paper and pencil, colors also. And what we want to do, we want to show the following improper fractions in diagram. So we want to draw diagram for each one of these. The first one, 3 out of 2. So we want 3 parts out of 2. This is mean I have one shape, and this shape I divided into 2 parts. But I want 3 parts. How? So I have to do 2 shapes divided into 2, 2, and then color 3. After you finish coloring, you can check your answers. It's there in the last slide.